Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is a flagship camera phone that comes with a retractable camera. Now, what's the benefit of this camera, and what kind of photos can you expect from it? In this video, I'll be showing you the camera test of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, where you'll be shocked by the camera results. I've already uploaded the unboxing and review video of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, so if you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. First, let's take a look at the camera hardware of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. The phone comes with a rear-facing triple camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 1-inch camera sensor, which comes with the retractable lens feature. The secondary camera is a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and the third one is a 50-megapixel concentrated macro telephoto camera. Today, we'll talk about the main camera and see the benefits of this retractable lens. The biggest benefit of this main camera is that you can take clear photos of moving objects. For example, let's capture a photo of a moving train speeding at 300 kilometers per hour. What will we get? I will also be comparing this moving photo with the iPhone 15 Pro. After turning on the camera on the phone, we will see different focal lengths, such as 2 times, 3.5 times, 10 times, and all. Now, let's capture a photo of the moving train using both phones, so you can see the sample here. On the left side, we have the photo captured with the iPhone 15 Pro, which appears a bit blurry. On the right side, we have the photo captured with the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, which looks quite clear. For example, when we zoom in, the joint between the two doors is clear in the photo taken with the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, whereas it appears blurry in the photo taken with the iPhone 15 Pro. Even when capturing a photo of a train of different colors, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra provides clear results. Even the letters on the train are readable. Here, you can see the letters for Hangzhou Asian Games, which are quite clear. All these photos are taken at a speed of 300 kilometers per hour. In the photo on the right, the pattern and textures are clear. Now, let's capture another photo, and this train is moving at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour. In this sample as well, when we look at the letters on the train, they are not clear in the iPhone photo, while they are clear in the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra photo. Even at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour, the photo is not clear in the iPhone 15 Pro, whereas you can see a clear image from the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. In this sample, you can see the photo letters, which are clear in the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra photo. In this photo, you can also see the textures on the pantograph on top of the train, which are super clear in the Huawei photo. It gives a perfect image. Now, let's capture the next scenario. Now, this train is moving at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour. Let's capture a photo from inside the train to the outside. On the screen, no scene appears clear due to the speed. Now, let's check the result of the photo. Here, you can see a photo of the fencing on the side, and even at this speed, the photo is clear. The textures are also clear. In contrast, with the iPhone 15 Pro, the photo is blurry. Even the grill of the distant building is clear. You can also see the result of the iPhone 15 Pro in this photo. From a distance, both photos look similar. But if we look closely, in this photo, the name of the company on the right side of the door is clear in the Huawei photo but blurry in the iPhone 15 Pro photo. Even the photo of the street sign is clear in the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, whereas it is blurry in the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, let's capture a photo of the train tracks at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour. You can see the result here. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra provides a clear result. So, after seeing the result of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra's retractable camera, you will definitely be shocked. It's really amazing. Let's take a look at another sample, the fidget spinner. You must have seen it before, but now let's see its test. You can even see the textures on this fidget spinner. Let's spin it and capture a photo. You can see the finger in the Huawei phone's view, as well as in the iPhone 15 Pro. Here, you can see the photos captured by both phones. The iPhone photo has lost detail, but in the Huawei photo, you can see the dragon clearly. You can even see the dragon's teeth. So, you've seen how well this retractable camera captures photos of fast-moving objects. What do you think of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra's camera? Do you think it should be launched in India? Let me know in the comments section. Also, I will soon be comparing the camera of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra with other flagship phones such as the Samsung S24 Ultra or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, make sure to subscribe to watch the comparison test first. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos, well as me signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
What you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is black.